Hello everyone. Welcome to Simple English Family. Today we are going to learn English at the Slow supermarket. We will learn how to buy food. We will ask for help and we will pay at the checkout. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully. The answer is inside today's conversation. Here is today's question. What do you call the place where you pay for your food at the supermarket? Write your answer in the comments. Let's begin.
Hello. I need to buy some food today. I need apples, bread, milk, and eggs. Let's go. Excuse me, where is the fruit section, please?
Of course. The fruit section is straight ahead, on your left.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
These apples are £1.50 per bag. Oh, there is a special offer. Buy 2 bags, get 1 free. That is a good deal. I also need vegetables. These carrots look fresh. I will take 1 bag of carrots. Oh, this smells wonderful. Excuse me, can I have a loaf of bread, please? Of course. White bread or brown bread? Brown bread, please. Here you are. 1 loaf of brown bread. Thank you. Now I need milk and eggs. 1 liter of milk. Good. Sarah looks for eggs. She sees 2 sizes. Small eggs or large eggs? Sarah looks at the price. Large eggs cost more. I will take 6 large eggs, please. Sarah checks her shopping list. Apples? Check. Carrots? Check. Bread? Check. Milk? Check. Eggs? Check. All done. Now, let's go to the checkout. Hi.
Hello. Did you find everything okay?
Yes, thank you.
Would you like a bag?
Yes, please. 1 bag, please.
That is £9 and 40 pence, please. How are you paying today? Cash or card?
By card, please. Thank you. Have a lovely day. Thank you. You too.
Great job today. You learned so many new words. You learned supermarket, shopping list, a loaf of bread, checkout, and how are you paying? Now, do you remember the question from the beginning? What do you call the place where you pay for your food at the supermarket? The answer is the checkout. Did you get it right? Write your answer in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to Simple English Family. See you next time. Goodbye.